So, you've decided to venture into the wild world of microgreens, huh? Buckle up, because we're about to embark on a journey filled with tiny plants and big flavor. First things first, grab those itty-bitty seeds and give them a good all wash. No, not with soap and water, we're not trying to turn them into a spa day. Just a quick rinse under the faucet to get rid of any dirt or debris. Next, it's time to soak those little suckers. Think of it like a mini pool party for your seeds. Fill a small container with water and let the seeds take a dip for about 8 to 12 hours. They'll thank you later for the hydration boost. Now, onto the materials. You'll need some trays, preferably ones with drainage holes, because soggy microgreens are a big no-no. Fill them up with some soil, but not too much. We're not trying to bury these guys alive. Sprinkle those soap seeds evenly across the soil, like you're seasoning a salad. Except, with seeds instead of salt. Gently press them into the soil so they can cozy up and start growing. Now, here comes the hard part: patience. Pop those trays in a sunny spot, water them regularly, and watch as your microgreens sprout up faster than you can say supercalifragilisticexpialidocious. Before you know it, you'll be harvesting your mini garden of deliciousness. So go ahead, get your hands dirty and let the microgreen madness begin. Embrace the chance to study now, as your success solely depends on you. Seize the opportunity and let your determination and effort pave the path to knowledge and greatness. Remember, do the things to yourself because nobody else will. Step-by-step guide to growing cilantro using an organic mat. Introduction. Welcome to the wonderful world of growing cilantro using an organic mat. Cilantro, also known as coriander, is a flavorful herb commonly used in various cuisines around the world. In this guide, we'll walk you through the process of using an organic mat to grow healthy and vibrant cilantro plants right in your own home. Let's get started. Step 1. Choosing the organic mat. First things first, you'll need to choose the right organic mat for growing cilantro. Look for a mat specifically designed for hydroponic or soilless gardening. These mats are typically made from natural materials like coconut coir or hemp fiber, which provide excellent moisture retention and aeration for plant roots. Step 2. Preparing the growing area. Find a suitable location for your cilantro garden. Ideally, this should be a well-lit area with plenty of natural sunlight. If you're growing indoors, consider placing your organic mat near a south-facing window or under grow lights. Make sure the area is clean and free from any debris or contaminants. Step 3. Planting the seeds. Once you have your organic mat and growing area ready, it's time to plant the cilantro seeds. Sprinkle the seeds evenly over the surface of the mat, making sure to space them out to allow room for growth. Gently press the seeds into the mat to ensure good contact with the growing medium. Step 4. Watering and irrigation. Proper watering is essential for the healthy growth of cilantro. Since you're using an organic mat, you'll need to water it regularly to keep the mat moist but not waterlogged. Use a spray bottle or watering can to gently moisten the surface of the mat, being careful not to overwater. Monitor the moisture level regularly and adjust your watering schedule as needed. Step 5. Providing nutrients. While cilantro doesn't require heavy feeding like some other plants, it still benefits from a balanced nutrient solution. Consider using a hydroponic fertilizer specifically formulated for herbs and leafy greens. Dilute the fertilizer according to the manufacturer's instructions and apply it to the organic mat once every couple of weeks. Step 6. Enhancing growth. To encourage tall and robust cilantro plants, you can take a few additional steps to enhance growth. Prune the plants regularly to encourage bushy growth and prevent them from becoming too leggy. You can also provide support for taller plants by installing small stakes or trellises near the mat. Step 7. Harvesting cilantro. Once your cilantro plants have reached the desired size, it's time to harvest them for fresh use. Use a pair of clean scissors or shears to snip off the leaves and stems as needed. Harvest from the outer edges of the plant to encourage continued growth from the center. Enjoy your freshly harvested cilantro in soups, salads, salsas, and other delicious dishes. Conclusion. Growing cilantro using an organic mat is a rewarding and straightforward straightforward process that allows you to enjoy fresh herbs year-round. By following these step-by-step instructions, you'll be well on your way to growing healthy and flavorful cilantro right in your own home. Happy gardening! Conclusion: growing cilantro using an organic mat is not only a fun and rewarding experience, but also a sustainable way to enjoy fresh herbs right at home. By following the step-by-step guide outlined above, you can cultivate healthy and vibrant cilantro plants with ease. Remember, your support is crucial in helping us create more informative and engaging content like this. If you found this guide helpful, please consider liking, sharing, and commenting on this video. Your feedback is invaluable to us and will be taken into consideration for future content. Additionally, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel to stay updated on the latest gardening tips, tricks, and tutorials. By subscribing, you'll help us reach a wider audience and continue to spread knowledge and inspiration to fellow gardening enthusiasts. Thank you for joining us on the cilantro growing journey, and happy gardening!